Hello everyone, so this is the lecture 4 of AI influencer course. So here till now we trained the LoRA and we get our safe tensor file. Okay, so where to put your safe tensor file? I told you I already trained a LoRA on the Lila. So I placed the model. If you go into the ComfyUI folder, you see there is a model, there is a LoRA. Okay, and here we see there is a flux LoRa lilac. Okay, so you need to paste it the model here, and let's go to the ComfyUI now. So this is the workflow we mostly worked on for this one. Okay, and let's focus on the how we get all the things. Okay, this is the flux dev model, flux dev, flux one dev safe tensor. Where you get this way? If you search for flux dev, okay, here it is flux dev model. So here, okay, we got a flux Hugging Face link. If you go here, here is the flux dev one. Okay, this is 23.8 GB model, and where you get the VAE. So you get the VAE here also already ae.safetensor, and you can download from the ComfyUI manager also. So let me go and click on manager. Click on model manager. You can download the dev also from here. There are some more dev. We have flux dev. Okay, so there are diffusion. This one is there. This is FP8 version is also there. You can download it according to your VRAM. So this is 70 GB VRAM, so you can use that one also. There is GGF models for flux dev, and there is a VAE. If you search for the VAE, then we got the VAE just like this is flux VAE model. And if we more talk about, let me increase the volume. So if we more talk about the clips, so if we clip, yeah. So this is the clip I which we using, and the T5 we are using for the flux. Wait, let me see. Yeah, this one. The FP16 T5 text encoder we are using. So if we go to the ComfyUI Beckett Cleansel, this is the T5 FP16 and clip I. Okay, then we connect it to load LoRa. The very connected to this one, and you connected this clip. And we load the our LoRa, which is the Flux Lila X LoRa, where we are strength of the model and clips. So if you want to increase some strength, it will give more closer to your character. Don't put much more. Try to be in 1.1 or 1.2 max. Then we give model goes to K sampler and the clips goes to positive and negative. So let's change the lilacs we are using. We take similar prompt which is we previously used. Just copy this one and paste it here. So we got this one. Now we have empty latent we give, negative we are giving, and then we encode this with the VA encode and we load it with the image. So let's run this one, and these two things are the upscaler only. Okay, these two things are the upscaler. Okay, the if you click Command B or Control B in the Windows, you got it. You can bypass these nodes. Okay, let's run this one. So it takes some time to load the model if you are running first time. These are the upscaler. This is upscale and this is for the phase detailer. Okay. So once we get this one, I will show you this how you can add both the things. Or let's wait for the image. Okay, so we got the face of Lila, what we are talking, which we trained the model on. Okay, if we use a different one, maybe half body or something like that, let's use this one, copy, and let's paste. Okay, so let me close this one. Yeah. and Q prompt it again. So now we have our own model which we give us the consistent image of any character, anything. You can train on styles also, you can train on characters also, you can train models on product also. Okay. So this way we can generate the consistent images from our model. Okay. So you are able to see this is the thing. Now, if you need to upscale your image or something, like you don't like this one or you need to upscale that image, you can on this node. How you on the node? How you unbypass them? Just click Control and select all and Command B for the Mac and Control B for the Windows. Okay. This is the ultimate SD upscale. This is double. If here the image is 1024 into 1024, here is images 2048 into 2048, and here it is 2048, but it enhance the face. Okay, so you can run this one also. You need to join all the nodes and just run it. Or upscale model, here we are using for upscale model, we are using clear 4x clarity V1, but you can use anyone ultra sharp also. You can go to here model manager and upscale. You can try it out, upscale, and you can find ultra sharp and all the things. Okay, this will upscale the image, and then here the face enhancer we are using, the ultra detector provider. Upload this ComfyUI workflow into ComfyUI and just install missing custom nodes. So once it is done, then it is okay. So this is all in this video, how you can add LoRA in the ComfyUI workflow and generate images. Now you can generate any images with your character. Okay. In the coming videos, we more learn about how to give the controls to your image, how to provide animation, how to change clothes of your AI model, and all the things. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. We worked a lot on the ComfyUI and how you can use AI models into ComfyUI. Okay.